says Ridgewood, New Jersey. How the snow look like. It's the same city. It never like this, full of snow. Today is Sunday. Everyone has on their way, but I have a duty. That's why I cannot move around to the Ridgewood. It's not possible for it look pretty cool, but my camera is not pretty cool. Nice. People have a community service. They are doing their great job here in Ridgewood. Look, it's near the, I'm reaching to the YMCA Ridgewood. It's very old places also, and Ridgewood like more than around 100 years. Ridgewood been established I think more than 100 years now. But this city is absolutely very good because there is no crime, very less people, and no crime means very peaceful. That's why I love the Ridgewood. It's been already 3 years I am here. I don't know in other city like this. YMCA. Look, this tree full of snow. Wow. Absolutely marvelous. But I have to move forward because I want to show the Ridgewood main downtown, how it looks like. It's a YMCA. Nice. They're making the snowman. Nice to see. 12 minutes already. After reaching the New Jersey Ridgewood downtown. It's a downtown. Ridgewood is a village, so it's not that much of construction. I'm recording this one is a HDR because HDR is capturing more higher quality of content. Okay, I'm pausing this one now. No snow under my shoes now. Absolutely wet. It's not good. One is just near the Ridgewood bus stop. This is the Raymond 1989, very old. Now I am going towards the station, Ridgewood station, and very good. It's like downtown is not been under the snow cover because they throw some solid hair in the road been clean already, so it's not like that. Now my shoe is getting like frozen because it's already in minus one or two maybe. Flower bouquet. Nice. This one is Bada Burger. Nice to see. Now I want to go to the iconic Ridgewood Station Cafe and Ridgewood Stella. This one is all the iconic buildings in Ridgewood. After Ridgewood Station Cafe, breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. Nice. This is working in progress. Whether I go through there. I have to return to the I have to go to the Ridgewood station to go there. It is Miracle Blood Dogs Cafe. Cycle shop. Just right. This is Ridgewood train station. I will go over there and then I will go to the Ridgewood garden. They have garden. What name I don't know. I will go through there and finish my vlog. Too much. Yeah, I don't have time now. It's 10:30 already. So I have to go back. I have to go to the duty. So we have time now. So maybe I can go back to that. Oh, here's my time. Going to the station. How it's look. Full, very full. Going to picture of this from there to from there. Nice. How am I looking in a HDR? I thought it's cool, huh? HDR it's a little bit more sharper. But this one because I cannot go. Like today I have duty here, so I have to finish my walking. This is the city bank. Good. Visit station cafe. This is iconic building. Sage. Look. This is a Christmas city. Wow. Nice to see like this. Nice to see. This is the iconic building. So it's a street from here. Then this is the iconic building. For night deposit. This is very good. For night deposits. Then I go to the through this. There have visit all cafes and all. It's going to end like this. Ridgewood Avenue. This one straight. I will go just to the church. The both church, and I will go through the garden, then little bit of straight through the Ridgewood post office. Then I am ending the video. It's already 9 minutes now. Wow, this is far. Here a little bit business is very low here. This side. Come in, we are open. We do custom picture framing. Wow, this is art gallery. Oh, maybe they closed because nobody is here. No one this time. Yes, I'm here through the church. Okay, very cool. Okay, so they are going to the church. Roman Catholic Church. I have to take some picture. Okay. Now I have to cross the road. I will go there. Then Ridgewood United Mathematics 11, 13 Korean meals. Yes, through here. This is all the cherry blossom tree. The previous, it's look very cool now. Watch this one. It's like under the snow. Wow. Peaceful place here. check because 11 I have to leave. Oh no, it's 10:26. Are you serious? Like within it's a Ridgewood. Sunday. Now I have to move. Sunday my general close. I cannot go there because time now for my duty. Okay, so I am finished my vlog here throughout the Ridgewood post office. Thank you very much. This is the end of the snow Ridgewood. Already 11. Today is Sunday, so we need to go. Ice already been melted now. So they will clean this one. Look. Nice. Look at this. Oh. If my DJI will die, then I will use my mobile S25 to using the HDR footage. So this one will be better. Look. It's like a 6-inch snow. Oh no. And this. Serious. This is cherry blossom like this. Uh-oh. They clean this one. Only happen with the Indian community there. They never clean. My mobile is there, so I don't want to lose my mobile because I only have one good. Oh my god, this is Ridgewood, New Jersey. Ding dong, ding dong. What they're doing? Look, how cool is that? Oh no. Oh my god. The base. Oh, sucks. Go there. So I'm crossing toward it. Yes. So from here I will go to still footages look good, but I'm only scary about sometimes it's obvious from bad cloudy weather, so my footage is always been shaky. The DJ Osmo Action 3, it's not handling the cloudy weather situation, so its electronic stabilization, it's not working. Electronics or optical, I don't know, but maybe this is electronic. This is I am toward the Grace Church now. It's wow. They clean already, so people can walk here. I have to walk a little bit of scary because I'm feeling the watery down here on the road. now it's good. If there too much snow is good, less snow and watery is slippery, very dangerous. You can hear the sound, it is mean your shoe is gripping the snow, it's not slippery. I'll go through the snow, then oh, oh. Nice grip. It's like a snowballs, snow grip. Yes, I am having a good grip on that. They clean the road and then it's happened again. I don't know. I'll go through the church and then I will try to go toward what Ridgewood water, Ridgewood municipality there, Ridgewood police there. I just walk around and then I will go through the Wednesday Park. It's already been 18 minutes 54, so it will be the long. Yes, somehow they will clean it. It's not everywhere. This side they will clean, so I will use this side. Oh, I'll go straight. They are using, wow, Wonderland Park, Ridgewood. Oh, the road is closed because they are not cleaned yet. Dead end. It's dead end, but still I have to go through the church. I'm using the grip snowing area because this side is slippery. Oh no, now it's a slippery floor. I don't like this one. Look at this. Okay, so I will and I'm using again. This is supposed to be walk, and now it's been gone. So Levy Avenue and Meadowbrook Avenue. Okay, it's a grass church. Oh no, somebody's like superhero or something is coming. Okay, so I will walk a little. This is a grass church. Under snowfall. Looks cool. It is Monday, 23rd February. But New Jersey, its snow is not gone. It's just beginning. Okay. Let's go a little, then I can go because my memory and batteries will not be left, so I will go through now. I will not go far, so I will take that road or I will back. There have 2-3 options. There are also cleaning. Okay, nice. the Grace Church. I have to take Baba Bokachida and the gas. I have to take 50 megapixel this picture. Wow. Nice. फिर से जाना पड़ेगा शाम को. Now it's already more than 1 o'clock. And my battery is about to be run out. It's 50%. And I am going towards the Ridgewood field or Ridgewood playing garden. It's near the Ridgewood library, Ridgewood water. Okay, I have to stop with stop sign. It's not good. Oh, that side is not been clean, so I cannot go there. Look at this. Sunbad. It's all been frozen. Sometimes I don't believe in HDR footage. Wasting my time because it's too much shaky and cloudy weather. Wow, they're doing great. Throwing the snow out of the way. It's like very nice. Too much slippery. Very few cars on the road. Oh, now I am in Drayton Park. Drayton Park. It's absolutely mesmerized. Oh, car is coming. So I have to cross as soon as possible. Oh no. Let's go. I can go there. I don't have any road there to go. How I will go there? Hello. Na 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 dang dang dang. Dun, dun.